Hello guys, welcome back to Jc.
Hello guys, welcome back to Jc.techtv for another video review on the Segotep PC gaming cases. And today we will be reviewing the Segotep EOS tempered glass PC gaming case. And without wasting much time, let's get on with the review.
In my opinion, this is one of the best looking cases we have ever used and reviewed, mainly because of the fantastic Segotep logo design on the case itself. Starting with the size of the case is 40 by 19.5 by 43 cm with aluminium alloy panels at the front and top along with two toughened glass at the side. What you will find on the top part of the case is one USB 3.0, two USB 2.0, the headphone and microphone jack, as well as the power and reset button. You will also find a dustproof iron net with two fan slots capable of housing radiators up to 240 mm. Removing the 4 thumb screws releases the glass panel, but be careful because there's nothing else preventing it from falling over. In addition, the thumb screw features rubber washers to prevent the glass from scratching. On each side of the case, there are reasonably stealthy ventilation holes for better air circulation. This case has a total of 7 fan slots, which is 1 at the back, 2 at the basement of the case, and as mentioned, 2 on top along with 2 more fan slots at the front of the case.
One small improvement I would like to see on the Segotep EOS is the addition of rubber grommets on their cable management holes to make it a little bit more aesthetically pleasing. As the sides uses tempered glass, it is fairly hard to conceal your cables even with good cable management.
On the other side of the case, you will find 2 slots for your SSD and 2 quick release slots for your hard drives. Overall, the Segotep EOS is a great looking case that supports the standard ATX, MATX, and EATX motherboards. The case is also capable of housing GPUs of up to 370mm in length.
Once again, I would like to thank our sponsor for this video review, Segotep Malaysia. Link to their Facebook and this case in the description below. And as usual, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any feedbacks or comments or questions about this case, leave it in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching Jc.techtv.